Hello everyone, it's me Louis Corpuz. You can buy brand new Ray-Ban from this video, and also Nike Fly East from this video, and also Best Walk sleepers. Very cheap, very nice. But I'll show you the ukay treasure that I found. Levi's. I'll show you more details later. I'm selling this for only 500 pesos. Let's just try it on with a Nike. Just for trying, so I'm not gonna wear socks. How it looks great. So this, if you are interested to buy Levi's size 34 for only 500 pesos. More blessings to all of us. Check out the brand new products here on this video. More blessings to all of us. So this is it. Levi's. I got from the ukay. I'm only selling it for 500 pesos. It still look nice, it just needs to be washed. The tags. And of course, the Levi's signature. And if I'm gonna wash this, I think it will be removed, so it's gonna be okay. If I will wear this, the paint doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It will be covered by with my belt. So ito, look at that. For only 500 pesos.